Hey there, Excel explorers! Today, we're unlocking the brain of your spreadsheet to the Formulas tab. This is where raw data turns into powerful insights thanks to Excel's built-in formulas, functions, and tools for managing calculations. Whether you're a beginner or just want to finally understand what all these buttons mean, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Section 1. Function Library Group. Right at the top of the tab is the Function Library, your main toolbox for inserting formulas. AutoSum, the classic one-click tool to add up a column or row. But there's more. Click the drop-down to access average, count numbers, max, and min. Recently used. Quickly reinsert your most recent functions. Great for repetitive tasks. Financial. Functions like PMT and FV. If you're dealing with budgets, loans, or ROI, this is your friend. Logical. Here's where if, and, or, and not live essential for decision-making formulas. Text. Need to clean or combine strings. Use left, right, mid, concat, and text join. Date and time. From today and now to DataDiff, this category handles age, deadlines, durations. Lookup and reference. Think VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, index, match, XLOOKUP. Crucial for searching data. Math and trig. Everything from round to mod, PI, and advanced math. More functions. This opens up statistical, engineering, cube, and web functions for advanced users. Tip. Hover over any function to see a preview of how it works. No need to memorize. Section 2. Defined Names Group. Next up, Defined Names. This feature helps you simplify your formulas and make them easier to understand. Name Manager. View, edit, and delete all named ranges in your workbook. Define name. Assign a name to a range, so instead of typing B2 to B100, you write equals sum use in formula. Quickly insert a defined name into any formula. Pro tip: named ranges make dashboards easier to maintain and less error-prone. Section 3. Formula Auditing Group. This is a powerful but underused area. It helps you track down errors and understand how formulas are connected. Trace precedence. Show arrows to the cells a formula refers to. Trace dependence. Show what cells depend on this one. Remove arrows. Clear all tracing visuals. Show formulas. Toggle between seeing values and actual formulas. Great for debugging. Error checking. Walk through Excel's built-in error detection. Evaluate formula. One of my favorites. This opens a step-by-step breakdown of how Excel calculates a formula, incredibly useful for learning or fixing complex ones. Section 4. Calculation Group. This controls how and when Excel updates formulas. Calculation options. Choose between automatic and manual. Manual is great for big files where recalculation slows things down. Calculate now. Calculate sheet. Force Excel to refresh calculations, very helpful in manual mode. So that's the Formulas tab, your key to turning raw data into dynamic reports, insights, and automation. Learn to use these tools, and you'll stop fearing formulas and start loving them. Coming up next, we'll explore even more Excel tabs, so make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon.